Hey guys, today let's learn how to use same WhatsApp in two phones. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the same WhatsApp account over on two different devices, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, in order for us to accomplish this, we actually need to have only one WhatsApp account. And if you already have that account already logged in onto your current device, we need to go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp account right here. And then let's go ahead and tap on our settings option. So once you're already here, let's go ahead and tap on settings over here. And we need to go ahead and tap on the option for us to link devices. So tap on linked devices over here. And as you see, you're going to have the option to link a device. So whether that may be web, desktop, or other devices, all we need to do from here is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application on your secondary device and go ahead and basically log into your same mobile number that you have with your primary device. In this case, that's going to show you a QR code. All we need to do is to tap on link device on our primary device and go ahead and scan the QR code which is on there. As you see, it's going to prompt you to just scan the QR code from this option, and once that is done, it's going to allow you to use two devices with only the same WhatsApp account. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.